Let me show you how to make the cutest and the fastest gift card holder or money holder if you want to give a gift. I'm going to show you how to make this super quick and easy little Santa bag. So I'm using my Centro, the 22 needle. If you have the Addi, that works completely fine. I'm casting on scrap yarn about 3 to 5 rows. I'm going to grab my main color, red, of course. You can do any color you want. I'm going to knit 22 rows. Grabbing a contrasting color. This is for the top rim. I'm using a white sparkle yarn. This is a big twist sparkle yarn. And you want to keep it connected to your roll or your yarn. You don't want to cut this, so you want to make sure you have a long enough length because we're going to do a simple crochet to finish off the top of this little bag. So I'm trying desperately to make this stay. Finishing off with more scrap yarn, about 3 to 5 rows. Holding your white accent color out of the way so it doesn't get looped in. Just crank your machine around twice and your work will fall off. Take your work and you want to just give it a little stretch. Careful not to undo the waste yarn. Now you're going to line up the ends of the tube and you want to fold it in half. And I crochet right to left. I'm right-handed. So if you're left-handed, this may be the opposite way. Simply going to do slip stitches all the way across. This is why you need contrasting color. You're just going to grab one loop on one side and you're going to marry it to the loop on the other side. Slip it under and then rotate to the other side. Grab under with your crochet hook, slip it under, and you get the point here. And you just want to make your way across to the other end, making sure you don't miss any loops. Otherwise, you're going to have drop stitches. When you finally make your way to the other end, just make sure you grab the last loop, and then the rest of the yarn there, you just want to grab it, pull it through so you can create a simple knot so it does not come unraveled. From here, you're going to remove your waste yarn. Again, one side is always easier than the other. I like to save my waste yarn, so I just find the top loop, I just pull it through, and once you get it around like almost 2 times, it will come off normally, just like the other easy end. Pull it out, and you can see I have a little drop stitch literally right at the end there. So I just grab my darning needle, I'm just going to loop it and secure it so it doesn't come undone, a simple fix. And then I'll create a knot and then just hide the rest of the yarn. This is where I have my white sparkle border. Is it sparkle? I can't remember. Anyway, so you're going to grab a crochet hook, and this yarn is connected to your ball. And I apologize for my head being in the way. And you just want to do a simple crochet, yarn over, pull through. I did an extra one there, so I just pulled it out, go under the loop, pull it through, yarn over, and pull through both. Under the loop, yarn over, pull through both. And you just want to work your way all the way around, and this finishes off the top of your bag. Coming to the complete circle, I just pull a little extra there. I'm tying the red and the white where I created and I added the yarn, so I just tie a knot to secure it. Flip it back over and remove your waste yarn at this point. Now I just come back and double check. You can see here that I just need to finish crocheting the end there to join the ends together. So I'm just joining it with a simple crochet and just making sure it looks neat and tidy. Now you can continue creating a loop with the yarn if you want and just create a chain, but what I'm going to do is cut the end off. I'm just going to secure it with a simple knot. And then I'm just going to hide the rest of the yarn. Just wrap it around a couple of times so it doesn't come unraveled. Now I'm grabbing a piece of red yarn about 18 inches. You can totally use ribbon. I actually had ribbon, but I'm just going to continue showing you how to use it with yarn. Grab a darning needle. I'm simply going to loop this up in between every other loop there just to create the cinching part. I don't know what you call it. Excuse my head again. I apologize. And you don't have to go through every one here. I'm just skipping every other one as you see. Bring it around to the front. And this just is a nice way to close the bag. Again, you can totally use ribbon if you want. Now I have some beads here. You can use bells. You can use anything you want just to add a little bit of flair to your little bag here. I think it looks so cute. So you just tie it on. So there you go. This is a quick project. Maybe takes 20 minutes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.